Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today we are transforming this basic white cloud slime into an amazing Valentine's Day cloud slime. I am so excited. This was so much fun to film and I really hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. Now that I've shown off how gorgeous this white cloud slime is, we're gonna color it pink using some acrylic paint. I don't really recommend using acrylic paint in cloud slime because it really dries it out and it makes it less drizzly and way stiffer. I highly recommend using food coloring instead. But acrylic paint does get the slime to be a more vibrant color, so for the video I decided to use it. I of course had to add in these gorgeous red heart sprinkle. No, those are not sprinkles. They are glitter. You know, I got Willet slime on the brain. I just filmed a bunch of those as well for Valentine's Day. So this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous slime. I love adding these glitters in. Glitters just make every slime so much better. But pink just wasn't enough for us, guys. We had to go all the way and make this slime a gorgeous red. And again, I used paint to make it more vibrant, but do not recommend. Don't do this, guys. Use food coloring in your cloud slime. But I'm just mixing it up, and it did get everywhere. Paint is a little bit messy, and it does stain my hands, which is so annoying, and especially on my nail polish. But, you know, I did it for the video, guys. My mom found these red hearts made out of felt at the dollar store, so I had to put them in the slime with some gorgeous gold foil placed on top. I love the way this looked, and I like doing the little stop motion effect with putting the hearts on. That was so much fun. Make sure you comment down below what slime you want me to transform next. Butter slime, bread slime, what should it be? Make sure you like and subscribe as well so you are notified when I post new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.